welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jasenia, and in this occasion I'll be showing you how to make the Mexican rice. It's quick and easy to make. All you're going to need are the ingredients pictured here, which is black pepper, salt, tomato bouillon, and then your tomato sauce. Just half of the container is sufficient, so 4 ounces. And then you're going to need 1 cup of white rice and 2 cups of hot water. So you want to begin by rinsing off your rice just a little, and then draining the excess water before setting it to fry just until brown, golden brown in your pot. The next step is to add in vegetable oil into your pot and then setting to medium-high heat to frying the rice until just a golden brown. In oil, go ahead and just move the rice around. And in the meantime, what you want to do is add in your tomato, your 1/4 of an onion, and your 2 garlic cloves to boil before setting them to blend. You can do it the way that I do, or you can just slice up the items pictured and then boil them along with the rice. Either way works, but this is my go-to. So I went ahead and added the 2 cups of hot water into my rice, and then 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon and 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then I mixed and covered. Then you want to proceed by adding in about 4 ounces of your tomato sauce. Just a half of a can or container works of it. I also use a store brand in just a 8-ounce container, so either way works, but just half of it is what you want to use. And then go ahead and incorporate all of your ingredients together there and mix and set the lid on. All right, so we're ready to blend the ingredients together, and for this you want to add a little bit of the water that you use to boil these ingredients to go ahead and get the blender to start grinding it all together. So about a tablespoon of it should work all together in blending this. Once you're finished blending, it should look something like this. Now you can go ahead and add it in to your rice and then pour just a little more of the water that you used to boil the ingredients in, just to get the excess out of the blender. Pop it in, give this a good mix, and set the cover. And what you want to do is allow this to cook at medium-high heat for about 15 minutes. Once you see just a little bit of the water in your rice, I like completely turn off the stove and set it aside to go ahead and just finish cooking itself. So your rice should look something like this. And it's perfect to pair with your carne asada, your marinated pork chops, chicken, and more. But I do hope you like this video, and don't forget to turn that notification bell and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the future videos. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.